This morning I was greeted by a spirit animal. Tom and I went out to do some errands. On our way home, as we turned into the lane, I saw something white in the road, and I told him to immediately stop the car. It was a white squirrel. I took out my cell phone and started shooting some video.
Go up slowly. Go up slow. Move up.
In the afternoon, we had a thunderstorm, and I got to use my stamp of the Native American symbol for a thunderstorm. I sketched my squirrel in my journal as I saw him between two trees behind a fern on a rock. Scientifically speaking, there are two kinds of white squirrels. The ones with pink eyes are albinos. The ones with dark eyes, and I believe this one had the dark eyes, is a genetic mutation called leucistic. It's a recessive gene found in a lot of eastern gray squirrels. And then I looked up the symbolic and spiritual meanings of a white squirrel. Symbolically, a white squirrel represents perseverance. And I'm just going to end this video quietly with a quote from whitespiritanimals.com. As a bridge between the spiritual and the physical worlds, between humans and animals, white spirit animals are calling us to open our hearts to the wild, to the sacredness of the wind, the water, the earth, and dream a new world into being, to heal our own personal and collective wounds, and to restore the earth to balance.